Hey Praisers and Savers, these are the deals for CVS for December 20th to December 26th, 2020. So these are all the items that I got this week at CVS for $2.83. I had 94% savings. The deals weren't that great, but it is the week before Christmas, so you could expect that. My actual total was $44 and I only spent $2.83. Now, I was so excited because we really haven't seen any tissue paper on sale since COVID, and these are on sale for $2.99. Buying 2 of them, you're going to get back $3 extra care bucks. So when I got to the register, the guy told me I could only buy 2 packs of tissue paper, and I like this one better. This is the Oh So Soft. They were $3.99 each, and when you buy 2, you're getting back $3 extra care bucks. So you're essentially going to pay $2 for 2 packs. I got these, and then I'm going to go back and get the bamboo ones tomorrow. Of course, I had the $1 off coupon for the Tide Simply. I always grab these because these are great to go in blessing bags. I like to get the pods instead of the liquids so they don't spill out. They're $2.94 using that $1 off coupon, which makes them $1.94 per bag. So the first thing that we have up is the buy 2 CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow. They're $5.99. You're going to buy 2 of those and get back $6 extra care bucks. You're going to use 2 of the $3 off CoverGirl coupons that came out on December 6th. And then you'll pay $5.98, but you're going to get back those $6 extra care bucks, which makes this a 2-cent moneymaker when you buy 2. Guys, it's a great stocking stuffer, the Trident Gum. If you buy 2 of those, they are $1.49, but they're going to be buy 1, get 1 50% off. So when you buy 2, you'll receive $2 extra care bucks. There's no coupons for these. You're going to pay $2.24, receiving those $2 in extra care bucks, and your final price is going to be 12 cents each when you buy 2. I wasn't able to snag the Maybelline Expert Wear eyeshadows. I did not have the coupons for those, but if you do have the coupon, it's on Maybelline.com. You can only use 1 of those. You're going to pay $5.38, receiving $5 back in extra care bucks. And that final price is going to be 19 cents each when you buy 2. Make sure you get 2 of those and use 1 of those $3 off coupons. The Dove shampoo and conditioners, 12 ounces, are $3.50 each. You're going to buy 2 of those and receive $2 in extra care bucks. You're going to use a $3 off coupon on 2 of those, and there's also a CVS coupon. You need to check for that. You're going to pay $4 and get back those $2 extra care bucks. The final price of each is $1 per bottle. The next amazing deal is the Nivea body lotion, 8.4 ounces. Be careful on that. Not a lot of stores have this size. If you buy 2, they're $5.29 each, getting $5 in extra care bucks back. You're going to use a $3 off 2 Nivea body lotion. So your price is going to be $7.50 when you check out, but you'll be getting back $5 in extra care bucks. If you still have some razor coupons from the P&G from November 22nd, use those on the select razors. You're going to pay $9.99, getting back $5 extra care bucks. Using that $2 off coupon, you're only going to pay $7.99, but your final price is ultimately going to be $2.99 after your rolling rewards. Last but not least is the buy 30, get $10 back. There's so many different options for this week. There are coupons for the batteries, Tide, and also the Huggies. I do not have coupons for the Scotch toilet paper, paper towels, but you can mix and match. Of course, I'll be getting the Tide at $11.94 using that $2 off coupon. I have one on my app, and I also have a couple left over from the last month's P&G. Check those out. Let me know what deals you get for the spend 30, get 10. All right, guys, last but not least, you're going to make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and also comment Merry Christmas in the comments if you finish the entire video. Please let me know what deals that you are loving this week and what did not work for you. Thanks, guys. Merry Christmas.